Welcome to the How to Add and Edit Images tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to add and edit images on your website. The topics covered in today's tutorial are 1. Introduction to the image widget, 2. How to use the image widget, and 3. How to style your images. Topic 1. Introduction to the image widget. The image widget is the widget you will use in the Elementor editor to add images to your website's pages. It is accessible through the Elementor editor. The image widget allows you to insert images anywhere with options to style it to how you want. You can add borders, background overlays, and much more. Topic 2. How to use the image widget. To use the image widget, open any page on your website via the Elementor editor. On the left side where the Elementor editor panel is, search for the image widget. Drag and drop the widget into the section that you'd like it to appear on. You will now see that the Edit Image editor panel has appeared on the Elementor editor panel. Here, you can customize the image, style the heading, and set advanced settings for the image. You can change the size, caption, and link of the image in the Content tab. Topic 3. How to style your images. Navigate to the Style tab within the Edit Image editor panel. Here, you can adjust the image's width, max width, height, and opacity. You can also add filters and add a border to the image. To add rounded corners to the image, adjust the border radius. To add a shadow to the image, adjust accordingly. You have now learned how to add and edit images on your website.